Hi everybody, my name is Tyler Hacking and I spent the last year of my life building the UVU compost program in coordination with many different departments and UVU faculty members. So this is a 15-gallon worm bin and we are going to throw in some foundation material of cardboard because they love to lay their eggs in it, and some of our UVU Review newspaper as a bedding with a little bit of the leaves that we clean up around campus. And on top of that foundation layer, we're going to add some food scraps from dining services. Make sure we get some fruit in there. And then we're going to add coffee grounds from Starbucks along with the coffee filters as a source of carbon. After that, we're going to add in worms. All right. So this is some harvested vermicompost from another bin, and it has hundreds of worms in what I just sprinkled into this bin. We're going to add some sand because it helps them as grit to break down their food. After that, we add in more leaves to keep out flying insects and put ice on the top to keep it moist. And we end up with a layered bin like this that automatically turns into compost. These bins have holes on the sides and bottom, so they breathe very well. After we've made the compost, we mix it with ingredients like sphagnum moss and vermiculite and perlite and coconut coir and minerals to make ideal plant soil of different types. We can make it for trees and potted plants and the bushes and grass on campus. So this is some harvested compost, and in here we have about 100,000 worm population. And this is about 2 bins. Most of our bins are 30 gallons, and we make little worm traps because they work very well at extracting the worms so that we can keep our production high. So they come together in these globs, and then I can just put them into my next compost bin. After we process the material, we get very fine, what we call black gold or vermicompost or worm castings. This also has a worm trap with mini worms. We can use it fresh like this or process it into different particle sizes for different applications like soil mixture or top feed. This is our aerobic compost tea system. With just one handful of our worm castings, we can produce 400 gallons of compost tea, which is an organic liquid fertilizer, by growing the bacteria and fungi inside of a tea bag, giving them sugar, carbohydrates, oxygen with air bubblers, and water circulation. Make sure that there's oxygen present the entire time so it doesn't stink. The reason that we do this is because we can turn waste materials that we pay to dispose of into a resource that we also pay for. This is a far more sustainable approach to environmentalism and business economics. It saves the university a lot of money and the planet at the same time. It's the right thing to do and the green thing to do.